नहीं यार आज बोर हो रहा है, कल करते हैं। नहीं यार कल भी नहीं, परसों करते हैं, मंडे को करते हैं। भाई मंडे नहीं, अगले महीने की पहले तारीख से करते हैं।
Today is 29th August 2020 and here I complete my 26 years on this planet. This video is all about the 6 biggest life lessons that I've learned, I've implemented and here I am sharing with you all. The first life lesson is numbers. We all compare our success with numbers. भाई की 1 मिलियन फॉलोअर्स है, भाई बहुत सक्सेसफुल है। भाई 1 लाख रुपए महीना कमाता है, भाई बहुत सक्सेसफुल है। नहीं यार, उस इंसान को पता है वो कितना सक्सेसफुल है। अगर 1 मिलियन फॉलोअर्स है ना तो वो विराट कोहली के बारे में सोचेगा, भाई विराट कोहली के पास कितना फॉलोअर्स है। अगर वो 1 लाख रुपए महीना कमाता होगा तो वो अंबानी के बारे में सोचेगा, भाई अंबानी कितना कमाता है। नंबर्स आर इनफाइनाइट। नंबर्स के पीछे भागोगे ना तो लाइफ आपकी झंड होने ही वाली है। लेट मी गिव यू माई एग्जाम्पल। व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड ओमी ऑन व्हील्स यूट्यूब चैनल, तब मैं सोचता था कि मुझे व्यूज क्यों नहीं आ रहे। आफ्टर एडिटिंग फॉर मोर देन 5 hours, इन्वेस्टिंग 5 hours फॉर 1 वीडियो, आई यूज्ड टू गेट सम 50 or 100 व्यूज। एंड तभी मैं सोचता था यार इतना मेहनत करके मुझे कुछ नहीं मिल रहा है। आई एम नॉट गेटिंग सब्सक्राइबर्स, आई एम नॉट गेटिंग गुड अमाउंट ऑफ व्यूज, क्योंकि मैं तभी व्यूज और सब्सक्राइबर्स को एक नंबर के हिसाब से देखता था। मुझे लगता था कि सक्सेस इन अ यूट्यूब चैनल इज व्हेन यू गेट लैक्स एंड लैक्स ऑफ व्यूज, बट मेरे साथ वैसे नहीं होता था। लेकिन नाउ इफ आई एम चेकिंग दोज वीडियोज व्हिच हैव गॉट 100 views at that time, now they are hitting more than 2k, more than 10k, some videos are more than 20k. अब लगता है कि if I would have continued that channel, I would have gained a good amount of subscriber base. Rather than just thinking about the numbers in my head at that moment, I would have thought about my process of doing the things, making more videos and engaging and entertaining more audience. I would have been a good Omi on Wheels YouTube channel. This is not about YouTube. This is not about number of views that you are getting on a video. This is not about number of followers that you are getting on your Instagram page. This is also about your daily life. कितना amount of salary है, कितना पैसा कमाता है. These are things that hampers and which makes you feel like मैं बहुत कम कमाता हूँ, therefore I am not successful. Success is not about earning lakhs and lakhs of money. Success is when even one person appreciate your work. Success is when one person, at least one person text you that you are doing a great job. I am able to relate to your content, relate to your blogs, relate to your videos, relate to your work, whatever be it. Success is when your mom dad is happy with you of the work you do. Success is when you are happy with yourself. You are satisfied with what work you are doing in your entire day. This is what I think about success. We all know that success should not be compared with numbers, but we don't implement in our life. We always think that जितना ज्यादा कमाऊंगा उतना ज्यादा सक्सेसफुल होऊंगा, लेकिन ऐसे नहीं होता guys. You should also not be satisfied with your work. You should be more and more hungry towards doing more and more amount of work, not thinking about numbers, not thinking about the income that you are getting. You should be dedicated more towards the work, the process. Automatically income आ ही जाएगा दोस्त. Okay, now second important thing that I've learned and I'm implementing in my daily life is health and fitness. Health and fitness का एक market बन गया है. Youths are getting more and more attracted towards health and fitness, eating n number of supplements, eating n number of proteins, whey proteins and oh my god, healthy का definition ही change हो गया. Healthy means for girls 0 figure, healthy means for girls thin, healthy means for boys 6-pack abs, healthy means for boys getting a good biceps. नहीं यार, पहले के जमाने में early in 2000s if you see no one was having abs but still they were healthy. पहले के जमाने की मूवीज देखोगे तो actors were not having biceps but still they were looking smart. Actress were not having thin figure but still they were looking hot. अब डाइट के बारे में आते हैं. पहले मतलब ग्रीन टी. भाई ग्रीन टी के वजह से 20 किलो कम हो जाता है, ये जो भी बोल रहा है ना उसको पहले पकड़ के मारो, बिकॉज दिस इज नॉट द फैक्ट. ग्रीन टी जस्ट इंप्रूव्स योर मेटाबॉलिज्म रेट, इट डज नॉट रिड्यूसेस योर वेट. इवन नॉर्मल अपनी चाय पत्ती भी है ना मेटाबॉलिज्म रेट बढ़ाती है, सिर्फ अपन शक्कर डाल के पीते हैं ना, इसलिए हमें फर्क नहीं पता चलता. तो मैं बताऊंगा आपको हेल्दी का डेफिनेशन क्या होता है. Whatever work you are doing, whether your job, mechanical work, blogging, sitting at home, कोई भी काम, and if your body is not causing hindrance to your work, then you are healthy. It doesn't mean that आप जॉब में जाते हो तो आपको फिट रहना पड़ेगा. You should be having 6-pack abs. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. If your body is not making you feel lethargic, if your body is not making you feel lazy, if your body is not making you feel energetic, then you are not healthy. भले ही आप मोटे हो, पतले हो, कैसे भी हो, आप हेल्दी हो अगर आपकी बॉडी आपके वर्क में हिंड्रेंस नहीं दे रही है, हिंड्रेंस नहीं कर रही है. हेल्थ एंड फिटनेस के पीछे मत भागो. अब मैं मेरा एक्सपीरियंस बताता हूँ. व्हाई आई एम सेइंग दैट, बिकॉज मैंने ऑलमोस्ट 2 years आई हैव बीन डूइंग जिम, डाइट एंड एवरीथिंग
मैं सप्लीमेंट्स में भी पैसे डाले हैं एंड नाउ आई फील लाइक आई वेस्टेड। अगर मैं वो पैसे इन्वेस्ट करता था तो उसका रिटर्न्स अच्छी तरह से आ जाता था। सो फॉर दोज पीपल हु आर इनटू फिटनेस एंड डाइट दे शुड डू इट, बट दोज पीपल हु आर नॉट गोइंग टू हैव दैट करियर इन द फिटनेस एंड डाइट दे शुड नॉट बी going and wasting the time getting six-pack abs. Go to gym, do your free workout, free body weight workout, go to running, do everything. Eat normal food, that's it. You don't have to waste lots and lots of money in your health. I was into fitness and diet in a very, very wrong way. I would say because I used to waste 3 hours into my gym, bunking my college, college lectures and all. And I used to do gym. Now I am being into health, into fitness, doing वर्कआउट एट होम, गोइंग फॉर रनिंग, नीचे गार्डन में जाके पुशअप्स पुलअप्स मारता हूँ. दैट्स इट. आई एम हेल्दी. देयर नो टमीज. जो टी शर्ट पहनने के बाद आता है ये सिर्फ पसीना है एंड यहाँ मेटाबॉलिज्म रेट हाई इसलिए पसीना भी आ रहा है. दैट्स इट. नाउ कमिंग टू द थर्ड पॉइंट दैट इज प्रोक्रास्टिनेटिंग. मैं ऐसा बंदा था कि नहीं यार आज बोर हो रहा है, कल करते हैं. नहीं यार कल भी नहीं, परसों करते हैं, मंडे को करते हैं. भाई मंडे नहीं, अगले महीने की पहले तारीख से करते हैं. आई वॉज सच ए पर्सन कि मैंने सोचा था कि कॉलेज लाइफ में मैं बहुत सारे लैंग्वेजेस पढ़ूंगा, जावा भी पढ़ लूंगा, डेटा स्ट्रक्चर्स कर लूंगा, C++ में मास्टर, पाइथन भी कर लूंगा, लेकिन मैंने कुछ भी नहीं किया बिकॉज ऑफ प्रोक्रास्टिनेटिंग. Now I will share you how I tackle my procrastination. Now I do not do procrastination because I am energetic all the day and I feel like doing many activities throughout the day. There are many factors involved in that, but I will tell you the basic fundamental to tackle procrastination. Now, if I would have decided that I want to become beer biceps, तो अभी मैं ये वीडियो नहीं बना पाता था क्योंकि मैं सोचता था नहीं यार मैं हो ही नहीं सकता beer biceps जैसा, and I would have dropped the plan itself. Now, what I am thinking is taking steps one by one. पहले 10 वीडियोस डालता हूँ, देखता हूँ how I will get the response from the people. Then I'll increase to 33 videos. Then I got good amount of response that boosted me. I am thinking about the end of the September. I have something planned. And I am expecting some results. So these are the small goals that I am keeping in front of me, which is driving me to make more and more videos. So this is the way how you can tackle procrastination. If you think about directly the end goal कि मुझे ऐसे ही बनना है तो खत्म, आप नहीं कर सकते, आप बिल्कुल नहीं कर सकते. You will drop it after few days. But if you give yourself some small targets, after 10 दिन के बाद मुझे ये चाहिए, आफ्टर 1 मंथ के बाद मुझे यहाँ पे मुझे खुद को देखना है, तो यू विल डू इट. दैट स्मॉल टारगेट्स विल ड्राइव यू एंड इफ यू गेट गुड रिजल्ट्स इन दो स्मॉल टारगेट्स देन यू आर टेकिंग स्टेप्स फॉरवर्ड एंड फॉरवर्ड. बट इफ यू आर नॉट, स्टिल यू आर नॉट बी लुकिंग डाउन एट योर सेल्फ बिकॉज यू विल बी थिंकिंग यार थोड़ा सा मिस हो गया, अगले महीने तक मैं कर लूंगा. एंड दिस इज द वे यू शुड tackle procrastination, and this is the way I am tackling procrastination right now in my life. So I hope I gave you some amount of knowledge of how to tackle procrastination, giving small targets to yourself, small goals to yourself and achieve it. Give a deadline to yourself and that will drive you to do the task. Okay, now coming to the third point that I learned. This is the thing that I learned recently about 3 महीने पहले. I did a course of inner engineering from Sadhguru. Now I am not promoting anything. It is the thing that I want to share with you because that changed my life in a very big manner. Actually, yes. उसमें से एक point है that is time is inevitable and that is the thing that I want to tell you. This is the life learning that I want to tell you. Time is inevitable. You all know this. At this moment, at this point, this is inevitable. It cannot be changed. ये है वैसे है. And we are moving forward one tick by tick by tick by tick. ये हो गया, ये past हो गया. This is the whatever I am saying. It is now past. It is now history. This is the present moment. Now, if you are aware of this, now what do you mean by awareness? Awareness is not about that you know. Awareness is something that it is striking in your head at every present moment. If you are aware that time is inevitable, it is not going to come. It is not going to change. This is the present moment that you have right now. You would not be thinking about your past bad happenings. You would not be thinking about the future bad happenings which is not happened yet. If you are aware continuously that time is inevitable, time ये जो अभी वक्त में गुजार रहा हूँ ये फिर से नहीं आने वाला. If you are completely aware, if you are completely into it, आप अपना वक्त बिल्कुल नहीं गवाओगे. You know what? Why is Michael Jordan different from all the athletes, different from our normal people like us? and why we all need meditation to do, and why Michael Jordan do not need any meditation to do to be the greatest athlete. Because Michael Jordan used to live at that moment. Whether be the match, he was engaged in that match. Outside match, he was engaged at that moment. While listening music, he was engaged in that music. But what happens with us? हम जब जॉब में काम करते हैं तब किसी और थॉट के बारे में सोचते हैं. हम जब म्यूजिक सुनते हैं तो हमें एक्स की याद आती है. हम कुछ और काम करने लगते हैं तो हमें कुछ और काम के बारे में प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट करता है हमारे माइंड में. सो वी आर नॉट एट दैट मोमेंट. वी आर जस्ट वेस्टिंग आवर टाइम. वी आर नॉट एंजॉइंग द टाइम. So this is very important message that I want to give you all, and especially you need to do meditation if you want to be aware at this moment. At this moment, if you want to enjoy this moment, right now, this moment, the moment which I am talking about has been gone now. This moment, you're getting it. So this is the fourth learning. Now coming to the next point, the next learning that I learned and I want to share with you all is you should not be thinking about yourself. You should not be selfish. There is some force, there is someone who is beyond you. There is someone who is more and more and more powerful than this entire universe. There is someone which is a driving force. There is someone beyond you, above you, and you are not doing for yourself. If you think about doing for yourself only, you would not be a part of this society. You would not do anything good for the society. You would not do anything good for this planet if you just think about yourself. If you just think that मैं ये मेरे लिए ही करूँगा, ये मेरा है, ये घर मेरा है, ये खाना मेरा है, ये सब कुछ मेरा है, तो आप कभी दूसरों के लिए कुछ नहीं कर सकते. अगर आप जो भी कुछ काम कर रहे हो और वो किसी और के लिए कर रहे हो ना, तो there is something that changes you, that will make you better for the society, that will make you a better person, a better animal, a better human being, which we require, which this planet requires. And this is very important because Sachin Tendulkar भी 100 मारने के बाद ऊपर देखता था, because he never did it for himself, he did it for someone who is above him. तो हमेशा इतना याद रखो कि whatever you do, don't do it for yourself, do it for something which is above you. If you are not believing in such thing, then do it for your dad, do it for your mom, do it for your loved ones. Now the sixth life lesson that I want to talk about is try to become humble. Now how to be humble is very complicated. It doesn't come overnight. You do not become humble abhi ke abhi. Nahi, it takes lot of time. And how to become humble is very simple. Serving your elderly, serving your mom, dad, serving your grandmom, serving anyone who is more experienced, who is more greater in age. Because when you talk properly with them, when you serve them, चाहे वो पैर दबाना हो, सर दबाना हो, तेल मॉलिश करके देना हो, कुछ भी हो, you build up a quality within yourself that will make you empathic. You become much more soft from your heart, and when you become soft from your heart, you won't do harm to anyone, whether be animals, whether be human beings. And you always speak properly, you act properly, and when everyone acts properly, when everyone becomes conscious, soft-hearted, and do not harm animals, do not harm human beings, do not use harsh words, then this society will be so pure, so good, right? It's a very time-consuming process, but you can do it. You can do it start from your home, start serving your mom, dad, start serving your grandmom, grandparents. So yes, that's about the learning that I have learned within this 26 years of lifespan, which have changed me as a person a lot, and I wanted to share this with you all, and I thought this is the right moment to share my views about the life learnings that I have learned within this 26 years of lifespan. 26 years का बूढ़ा बन चुका हूँ and शादी नहीं है, single हूँ. So hope you guys like this video and do share with your friends, your family if you find it relatable. It's not about my experience, it's about you guys also should implement this in your life. I just wanted to give all the information that I have learned, I have implemented to you all guys, so that it brings some change within your life. I'm not asking to comment and like and give many views. I'm just requesting you all to share with your friends and families, because ये सबको पता है लेकिन हम कभी इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं करते इस लाइफ लेसन को. हम बस एक पेज में देखते हैं, एक फोटो में देखते हैं, कुछ तो लिखा होता है अबाउट फॉरगिवनेस, कुछ तो लिखा रहता है अबाउट एम्पैथी, कुछ तो लिखा होता है अबाउट हम्बल, कुछ तो लिखा होता है अबाउट प्रोक्रास्टिनेशन. हम बस पढ़ते हैं, स्टोरी में शेयर करते हैं, अगले दिन भूल भी जाते हैं. right? So this is the time to start implementing such things in your life and see the noticeable change within yourself. Hope you guys like this video and अगले वीडियो में मिलते हैं. Till then, see ya.